Hi everyone, I'm here doing a project. I forgot how long I had this for. I know I made a video a long time ago. It could have been a year ago. I really don't remember. Or it could have been 2 years ago. Um, I was looking through my stuff and I found the box. And I'm like, oh my God, what the heck is this? And when I opened it up, it had a lot of stuff inside. So it had this cloth, this black cloth where they put all your molds inside, and I did not like the cloth. That cloth put everything with lots of lints and everything on all the molds, and of course I had to clean it. These came from Dollar Tree. Pigment inks. They gave them to me. They said they're gonna buy some more. My friend, he said he's gonna buy some, and he's just gonna go give them to me. I used this one, this yellow one, and everything else came in this package except for those inks. And this is the little thing it came, which I showed it on a video, I believe. But or maybe I didn't and I forgot. But this came from Dollar Tree, and so it's only $1.25. Everything else came in this box. The resin with it, part A and part B. And this is how the color is. It's still good. For some reason, I thought it got ruined, and I'm like, oh my God, no freaking way. But and this didn't come in it. This is from one of my medicines that I get from the doctors. They give me a bunch of cups all the time. So that didn't come in here. Only this is the only thing that came inside with this black cloth, which I did not like. And it comes with a bunch of things inside. I believe this box came from Amazon. It comes with all these little things that you can make. You can make little earrings. You can make keychains. You can make bracelets. This won't even fit me. I'll probably fit my granddaughter. It came with this mold inside. Let me see what else it came with. It came with this. Everything is stuck together. Came with the little rings. Here's another mold, which is super cool. I think it came with another. Yeah, the other mold, I'm already using it. Here's some more keychain to make. Here's the little screw things for your keychains. All kinds of stuff it comes inside. Here's some more. Silver one, gold colors. It came with these spoons inside. Came with these little spoons. It came with the pipettes. Okay. With your little droppers. You could call them droppers, pipettes, whatever you want to call them. And it came, of course, with little stars. A whole bunch of different colors. Here's gold color. Came with a lot of different colors. Okay. A lot of different ones. They're very pretty. It came with this circle mold. Wherever the other piece is. I know it's in here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Here's the little circle one. Then you can make a little dome, whatever you want to call it, a little ball, anything. And it comes like that. Okay. It came with that. What else it came with? It came with this cup. And it came with all those inside. Which they're dirty because they got lint. It came with two other little puny little molds. It came with this little tiny one. Little cat. There was some more. I don't know where is that. Somewhere in here. Here's another one. Here's a square one. Little tiny square. There was another one. It was a triangle. Here it is. I found it. No, this one is a different kind. I don't know what kind of. This is different. But what happened to the triangle? I found the triangle. I almost threw it in the garbage. I tell you that because it was stuck, and I was trying to clean the Where is it? It came with this little tube where you can make little holes. Oh no, I think I lost it. Oh no. I think I lost the triangle. Oh well, it's gone. I don't know what happened. It was so tiny, so, and I can't see. And it comes with this little other kind of little spatula. It comes with all that. It didn't come with this. This I just threw it in there. Well, I lost the triangle one. Anyway, besides the point, let's look and see what I was making. I'm making something for my grandson because that's what he said he wants. He wants to give it to somebody in school. And I made there's a diamond, a circle, a square, a triangle. This other one that looks like geo stuff. Here's the That's like that. Wanna know why? Because when I went to go touch it, I thought, see, I don't know how fast this thing gets cured. I didn't know. Um and I don't even know what time that I started doing it. It started curing like really fast, and I was like, oh my god, I cannot believe it. So I went to touch it because I wanted to put the stars inside more. I wanted to make two stars like eyeballs, and I couldn't put it inside. I was like, oh no, it's stuck. And so when I picked it up, it made like a big bump. And I go, okay, I know it's self leveling. So that's why it looks like that, like that little squiggly looking thing, which that's not a problem. I could sand all that. And I was making this because I do love making acrylics oh my god, now I'm forgetting everything. Papers, whatever you want to call it, acrylics. I make them with acrylic, and I used to make them with the acrylic with the nails when I used to do nails many years ago, and I decided to make one, but I couldn't open this I couldn't open this ink. I tried poking it, and it wasn't letting me. So I was only able to do it with the yellow, and I couldn't do it, and I kept trying and I kept trying, and I'm like, oh man, really, it's not working for me right now. So it's whatever. I try to take all the bubbles that I can. I did my very, very best to take out bubbles. I think I think it could have bubbles. I don't know. I will find out when I open it up, but it probably has bubbles. And let me tell you, I was trying to bust the bubbles with this thing I use it for nails. For I can make swivelies, for nails, all that stuff. Um, well, yeah, it wasn't working because every time I kept trying, I kept putting more bubbles. And then I did it with the alcohol. And the alcohol that I'm using is 99 purple alcohol. Purple. Oh, I'm forgetting the name. Purple iso. Anyways, alcohol. 99.9%, 99% alcohol. And that wasn't taking it out. So I'm hoping that it did it. I cannot see so well because, I'm the medication that they have been giving me with the chemo and everything from the first time they started me, it started getting me blind, and now my eyes are just becoming really bad, and not much I could do about it. But yeah, I'm trying to make my stuff. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Take that piece, save it for whatever, because it was the leftover and it wasn't enough to fill this one. So I poured it here. I flattened it out for I can just cut it and put it in something else. Use it for whatever resin. So instead of throwing your resin out, there you go. You could do that. You know, You either have some molds to make use your leftover, or flatten it out in one of these silicone, and you're good. You know, you could cut it and save it and use it for other things, for other projects. And I'm doing it on here. This is, I kept this for many years because my how you call it, my I'm looking right at it and I still can't even think. My microwave, because I got a new one, another new one. My microwave got burnt out, and so I took the, you know, the bowl, whatever you want to call it, plate, the plate, and I put this plastic thing on it that I forget the name of it. It's a plastic thing for your food, and you can also use it for in case anything drips out and it doesn't go onto your table, whatever. But yeah, that's what I made, and I'm hoping, and it's getting really done really fast. I couldn't believe it, just in one day. I don't know what kind of resin. I never read that instruction, never did. Um, so you know what? Let me take it out because I'm gonna have to read it once I turn this video off. But yeah, there's the instruction. That's the company. And let me tell you, that resin, that whatever the epoxy thingy resin, it don't stink. And that is what I really love. That is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to get in touch with them to see if I can find their resin. And I really wanna buy some just from them. No, I'm making my video. So, thank you everyone. Bye.